Chris Paul, naku, nagtipon-tipon po dito. James Harden all alone, you fear the beard. At dire-diretso po siya with that slam dunk. Tumama ang bola sa paa ni Marcus Doughton with an inside move, and Harden finishes the play. And this is how the smart All-Stars are so dangerous kapag open court ang labanan.
Well, pag open court, they get the opportunities. That's where the athleticism ng mga bisita natin ay lumalabas. At si James Harden, yung mga fans dyan, tawag die hard Den fans.
Bago yan, ha?
Okay. Apat lang ang nag-double figure scoring sa nakaraang season ng liga nila doon sa kanyang koponan. Kasama niya sina Kevin Durant, Russell Westbrook at saka si Jeff Green. Yung pang-apat yan, si Harden.
Bakit ba sa'yo yun, Richard, yung palbasarado? Pwede ba yun?
Basta lagyan ko lang ng gel. Pwede yan. Hindi magulo. Wax na pala. Pero alam mo, I have to applaud itong Smart All-Stars. No? They are overwhelmed by the reception they got here in the Philippines, and they are showing, reciprocating. Si Senator Antonio Trillanes nandyan, reciprocating yung warm welcome with outstanding performances, talagang really regaling the crowd with excellent moves and slam dunks. Hindi sila naging easy sa mga laro nila dito.
Balita ko, inspirado sila sa mga sportscasters ng mga Pilipino.
Ayan, dapat.
Hindi kayo kasali doon. Mga numero mula sa Metro Pacific Investments, nakita po natin on your screens. Meron na tayong 1 minute and 54 remaining.
Papag-usapan natin kanina si James Harden. Just a little bit of information. Si Harden nagkaroon yan sa isang high school sa California. Artesia High School. Diyan din ang galing si Ryan Reyes.
Ganun ba? Pero hindi na sila nagkasabay.
Hindi na. Si Jason Capono, naglaro din dyan sa high school ng Artesia.
Bakit si Miko Halili tsaka si Japet Aguilar pareho rin naman? At saka si Greg Slaughter. Bakit sila
Hindi, tumatangkad na after every generation.
Okay.
Kung siningin mo pa yun.
Ang hirap na tanong nun.
Jamie Casio fires. After making his first, he missed his second and a put. Para kay Chris Lutz.
Rare offensive rebound para sa Smart Gilas.
Look out, Harden for 3. No, not quite. Rebound out it. Oops. Sabing na baga out si Casio. JV Casio going all the way. Last minute pass, open shot. Lutz back to back.
Si Lutz nakaka 6 points na. Alam mo, partner, kanina, the reason kung bakit nakakuha ng offensive rebound si Lutz, pagamat maliit siya, is because lumaban doon si Doughton. And that's important. Dapat lalaban yung mga malalaki.
What a move! Jamal McGee sure being challenged. Ngayon meron siya kamatch in terms of height.
Ano mo, nakakagulat dito kay Jamal McGee, when he was playing in college, he was playing the small forward position. Malaki na nga siya doon. That's why he's got the versatility and the ability to put the ball on the floor.
Mintis muli si JV Casio. 41 seconds remaining. Sa opening quarter, dire-diretso si Tyreek Evans, and it's back to a 10-point ball game, 26-16. JV Casio slowing things down.
Nagawan!
Tyreek
And you know, that's the point we were making. You never go one-on-one against these NBA players. Susuntukan ka niyan. They've got very quick hands. Dapat crisp passing.
Okay, Smart Gilas trying to write the last sentence of the opening chapter. JV to Dondon. 3 seconds remaining. Dondon is in trouble. Dondon can't shake off Harden.
That's just great defense by Harden. No space given. Para kay Dondon Ontiveros to even launch an attempt at the basket.
Okay, ito ang ating the quarter score. Ating sa the Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. It's 28-16. The Smart All-Stars naman po ng 12 puntos. Kobe Bryant, all business today. Japet Aguilar posterizing Kevin Durant. How many times can he do that in a lifetime? How many times can they say that in a lifetime? Kevin Durant, bumawi, putback slam. Ang ating mga bisita, lamang po, 28-16 against Smart Gilas. Magbabalik po kami.
MVP! Derek, Philippines loves you, loves your game. Any message for all the thousands and millions of Filipino fans out there?
happy to be over here, and I hope y'all invite me over here again. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Derek, thank you very much for being in the country. Thank you very much. Let's call on JaVale McGee. Oh man, big boy. JaVale, you know, since last night, you've been wowing the crowd with the slam dunks, and man, you're so, it's such a great thing to watch. How important is it to you to make sure to get a good dunk in there?
I have to get a good dunk in there because that's what the fans love, and I'm doing all this for the fans.
Speaking of the fans, I heard last night, JaVale, a little boy came up to you. He started planking on the ground at the hotel, and you went up to him, took photos, autographs with the family and everything. The fans love you. How much do you love us Filipino fans?
I love the Philippines.
JaVale McGee, congratulations for all the success. Best of luck in the game. Thank you very much.
Well, kagabi po, the experience was unreal. Yung bang tinatawag na surreal. Para pong hindi totoo. Para pong nananaginip, no? Yung mga tao. But this is real, and it's as real as a slam dunk and as real as a Richard Del Rosario 3-point shot. Ay, sorry. Hindi naman lahat ng pangarap na tutupad eh. Magandang araw po sa kanilang lahat. You're watching all the action. Almost an alley-oop slam by Kelly Williams. Overactive on IBC, Nico Aliling kasama Kinito Henson and Richard Del Rosario. Kobe Bryant posting up Marcio Lassiter as we begin action in the second quarter. Jimmy Alapag is now in the game, joining Dondon Ontiveros, who fires away, rattles out the 3-point shot ni Dondon. Derrick Rose back in the ball game. Good swipe by Lassiter.
Really just one attempt at the basket for Smart Gilas, and then off to a fast break play para dito sa Smart All-Stars.
So nakakatakot yung mga long rebounds na nakukuha ng Smart All-Stars because that gives them momentum to run transition.
Rebound Kelly Williams. All our running numbers, by the way, brought to you by Metro Pacific Investments. Jimmy had a good chance to watch the All-Stars closely and outed with a miss. We're missing a lot of field goals so far here, Kinito.
Oh, too many long shots. Oh, McGee had to change his shot because of Dalton's defense. Maganda yun. That's a good sign.
Uh-oh, look out.
Having to put the ball on the floor. Ito na naman ang nangyayari.
Oh, he missed it. Countered by the defense of Jimmy Alapag.
Right now, you know, so Smart Gilas running away from their offensive sets, and hindi nagiging productive nga for them. But this is a nice move from Jimmy Alapag.
Agawan pa Kelly Williams and Marcus Doughton for the rebound, and here's Paul. Paul over to Derrick Rose.
So freewheeling, freestyle offense for both teams. Disaster to for Smart Gilas kung makipagsabayan silang ganito.
At mahirap talagang depensahan si Chris Paul, no? He's led his league in assists and steals in the same season twice. Hirap gawin yun.
Uh-oh, look out. Coach Rico Toroman wants a timeout. Ayaw niya maging open court basketball ang mangyari dito. Ayaw niya makita lumayo ang Smart All-Stars early in the second quarter. Back in a moment. Ito po ang Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Kahapon nagharap ang Smart All-Stars at ang PBA All-Stars. At sa ngayon po, naglalaban Smart All-Stars led by Derrick Rose against Smart Gilas. Kahit po sa US, hindi nyo makikita yan dahil magkaibang conference yan sa kanilang liga eh. But you'll see it here in this sports extravaganza.
Pati rin sa Olympics at saka sa World Championships. Hindi rin masyado nagkakasabay sila, no?
Hindi pwede. Taken na si Kobe.
Hindi, maganda yun eh. Kung pumayag siya, magkakaroon ng anak yan, Phil-Am.
Ano ba kasi pwede? Diba? Taken na, taken.
Si Ron Artes, may anak na Phil-Am.
Ha? Yun.
Yun.
Sana,
pwede yun.
Pwede asahan yun. Huwag mainitan ng ulo. Pwede asahan.
30-16 ang ating score. Nag-apple po Smart Gilas dito. Dondon to Kelly. Kelly Williams attacks. Kelly Williams gets away. The lead of the Smart All-Stars down to 12 points. Asif Aulaba is now in the ball game, replacing Marcus Doughton.
So these are the PBA reinforcements all on the floor at the same time. Alam mo, magandang strategy na nito ng Smart Gilas. Binebait o binibigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga Smart All-Stars to take the shots from the outside. They're playing the percentages. And so far, ang Smart All-Stars, nakaka-isang 3-point shot lang, no? Galing kay Bryant.
Jimmy guarding Chris Paul very closely.
Yes, at ito na nga, no? Kailangan talaga ito gamitin to ng Smart Gilas to improve their game and not fall into a trap of playing open court basketball.
And again, that 3-point shot, that's not for Smart All-Stars again. At binibigay yung tira na yan ng ating Gilas.
Good pass mula kay Lassiter para kay Kelly Williams. Kelly Williams certainly tried to show that he has the upper body strength to make some moves inside. Good defense by Asi. Quick hands. Alapag on the move. Alapag to Lassiter. Lassiter. Oh, naagaw ni James Harden. Good anticipation. 10-point ball game dito po sa second quarter. Chris Paul fires a long one.
Like a layup for Chris Paul.
That's just a 2-pointer.
Well, mga kapatid, this is just a 12-point ball game at may 8 minuto pa nalalabi dito sa second period. Dondon for 3. That's good!
That shot coming from Dondon Ontiveros off the curl.
Dondon playing tough defense laban kay James Harden.
Hindi siya natatakot sa balbas.
Harden, nag-challenge si Harden.
No! Here comes Jimmy Alapag. Alapag. Good pick by Asi. Jimmy for 3. Almost, but not quite.
Sayang yun.
That lead is chopped down to single digits.
It's Asi against Kevin Durant. Durant, Asi sticking closely.
And Asi giving up the foul. That's a good idea. Hindi niya patitira si Kevin Durant sa labas. At si Kevin Durant, pumunta kay Asi Taulapa, may sinabi.
I'm not sure if I read his lips correctly na parang sinasabi Durant, hey, it's an exhibition. I'm not sure, pero parang gano'n ang basa ko,
Okay.
Here's a Metro Pacific numbers, Kinito.
Well, 3-point shooting, ito yung sinasabi natin, no? Yung Smart All-Stars, not getting it done from the outside. Only one conversion, nakakatatlo na from 3-point distance ang Gilas.
Dondon for 3. Yes!
Nag-iinit at si Dondon Ontiveros and they're really challenging the Smart All-Stars now. I think they're getting to the heads of the Smart All-Stars.
Oh, nice trick. What a miss by Paul.
He will. Cleaning it up.
Lintis mula kay Dondon Macbaracael is now in the game para sa Smart Gilas. Derrick Rose, laban kay Dondon Ontiveros. Rose fires, no go. Rebound, napulot ni Jimmy Alapag. Lassiter on the move. Lassiter all the way. Oh, he missed it. A sorry miss para kay Lassiter.
Iba talaga yung intimidation ng mga bisita natin.
Oh no, Kevin Durant posting up Jimmy. Here's Paul for 3. Asi battling hard to get the rebound.
Turnovers really hurting Smart Gilas here. At ito, Kevin Durant, hindi nagustuhan nila yung call na yan ni Marcio Lassiter.
Tama yun. That's the right idea for Lassiter. Don't just give the layup.